My name is Jane Bushe. I live in Diepsloot Extension 2. Life is tough in Diepsloot, but I get by. I sell traditional medicine to put food on the table, but I really wish to get a good job. I have been waiting for interview, but they say they will call, but they don't. Half of us in Diepsloot are unemployed. I knew I have to seize any opportunity that come by. So when a free training to learn Autodesk Fusion 360, I jump in for the 3 days intensive training camp in May 2016. After the camp, I came back on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Whenever I could keep learning, I was shortlisted for the training to do the design work needed to Community Plumbing Challenge in Diepsloot. In July, I was part of the Fusion Design Hub and working alongside students from University of Johannesburg and Wits University. I learned so much from them and also put my training into a real project, transforming the various team design on the paper to come alive. I think using the technology design is a good way to help people to see the possibility for the Community Plumbing Challenge. I was the part of the design team and I helped Team South Africa put the new toilet solution into the extension 1. After this Fusion 360 training and the Fusion Hub experience for the Community Plumbing Challenge, I think the door to the better future has opened for me.
Bakhuluma, oh Banila, we the swile bakhuluma,